Good morning. Actually, we're like 4 minutes away from the afternoon. But I'm here by myself right now for the next 2 minutes until Felipe gets here. We're in the middle of a blizzard. So thankfully I did not have to go to work today. I was told to come in later, and then my manager messaged me and told me that it's a snow day, so I do not have to go in at all. Because it's been pretty bad. We'll show you guys right now when we go downstairs and go outside, but just last night it was about like 9 inches of snow, and it's still snowing. So it's gonna be pretty bad, and the roads are terrible, so nobody can go anywhere. So we're just gonna stay inside and do nothing. Why do you look like that?
That was some bullshit.
Your hair looks wonky.
Hey guys. It's the blizzard of the century. We have two regular snow blowers, right? That you just kind of push around like a little cart. One of the hoses that shoots out the snow, or the blower, it cracked. So here I am, pushing shit around the building, and it's just blowing snow in my face. And so half my body was just snow. That was really annoying. And then I got some back here, and it went down my shirt, so that's why my shirt is out, because I had to get it out. And the other one was the electric ones, like the shit we got from the yard.
Mm-hmm.
So that ran out of battery. And then we have this giant 10K tractor thing. But the chains broke that hold the freaking plow on it. Eventually we got it back together. And then it got stuck. So that's... And then we have a regular like Chevy truck with a plow on it. We just had to go across the street to PGM to get that unstuck. And that was so cold and terrible. My face is so cold. I don't know why they didn't just keep mids at work. Because mids could have been going around plowing shit as it comes down rather than send them home. 9 hours later, 10 hours later, we come in and have to deal with all this bullshit.
Anchorage set another record for
Of course it did.
most amount of snow in a day.
Of course it did. Because as soon as I arrived into the parking lot, I stepped out and I was already knee deep. Or well, shin deep. And then once I got past the gate into work, that was knee deep. If they were going to make me go back, I definitely would have grabbed my shiesty. I should have went there with this in the first place, because this could have saved my face. But I didn't think it was going to be that bad. Yeah, I should have had this. To infinity. And beyond.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm hungry too. I've been basically working out for 3 hours now. Doing all this bullshit.
You making those noises?
Well, because you know what they say, like if you yell, it makes you stronger. It's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I would just be like, ah! Ah! Yeah. That sucked. Well, welcome back, guys, to another video. I promised you that we would have a second video this week. It's just a day late. So, sorry. I mean, we were... Okay, so look, here's the...
We
explain.
tried.
We tried, and we were going to have a video up yesterday. But look, what happened was... Right, so it's Wednesday. They were talking about, oh, you know, the blizzard is coming, fucking storm of the century. And I thought it wasn't going to be that bad by the time she got out of work. So our plan was I was going to pick her up, and then we were going to have a little date night and go to Dave & Buster's and do that, you know. We're doing that alphabet dating series, Dave & Buster's, letter D. Only thing is that the blizzard was a bit much, as you can tell. So by the time I left, you know, on my way to go get her, I'm like looking around the streets and shit, and yeah, it just wasn't worth it, because like that's 30 minutes out that way, and then with the snow and stuff, that's gonna be like a 45 minute drive. So yeah, it really wasn't worth it. So yeah, that's what happened there. So and now we're just stuck at home. So, you know, it is what it is at this point.
Now we can't do anything.
Yeah.
We can go play and make snowmen.
Yeah, I mean, the snow is it's very dense and very sticky, so we can definitely get out there and make a snowman. But that doesn't seem very productive, because we should probably actually take care of the yard in our driveway. And to no surprise, of course, they haven't they haven't plowed the streets in the neighborhoods, so.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to try to turn the car around and like back in like I normally do, but I was pretty certain I could have gotten stuck, so I don't want to do that. Hi, I'm Felipe, if you don't know me. And that's my wife over there, behind the camera, DNA. I don't know if you know what she looks like, but she's like... No, she's alright, she's pretty and stuff.
Oh,
cool.
okay. Thanks.
Hit the subscribe button and the like button and turn on your post notifications. I don't know what the plan today is, guys.
Nothing.
She was talking about making some hot chocolate, so I'm down for that. I would like some hot chocolate. I think I deserved it.
I want food.
Well, yeah, but like with hot chocolate. I earned it this morning. Tell me why Lennon called me while I was shoveling behind the building. And he's like at McDonald's. Or no, he went to Target, and then he went to the Starbucks line in Target to eat some stuff, and then they were in Target.
Yeah, I wanted to go to Starbucks. Double Star Day.
And then he went to McDonald's and got other stuff from there.
I would too. I had a craving for it, but then I remembered, oh, I don't have my car. I can't leave. Otherwise, I would have gone to Starbucks.
Let's go then.
Change.
I'm stuck. I'm frozen in my...
Put your clothes on.
It's over.
I see your nipples.
I would think so. It's cold outside. And it was like... It's starting to get a bit windy. The wind is starting to pick up out there. So like,
yeah, for a good 30 minutes, a bunch of snow was just getting thrown at the window. Because all that snow on the trees was just falling off.
Yeah, that's why my face started getting so cold. I had to like zip my jacket up all the way and like do this. Because it was starting to hurt for real. Shit was not okay.
Let's change and let's go on adventures.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to see me naked?
Yeah.
Damn, look how much snow is already on the car. I don't think that ram is stuck. They're probably just helping shovel and shit. Make space in the driveway. To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left.
It's like Mr. Krabs.
No.
Yes, that's how he laughs.
No, Mr. Krabs is more like "Arr, arr, arr. Money, 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 money."
Oh.
Wait, are we actually going to Starbucks right now?
Are we?
Are we? I just asked you.
You're the one that said let's go.
Okay. This will be fun.
Gotta tuck the pants in.
You must not know about me.
Okay.
You must not know about me.
What are you doing?
Oh man, I don't know the words to that song, but I love it. I'm just gonna get sick all over again.
We never got better.
Well, no, I was good for like a good 2-3 days there.
I have not been
Lately,
better.
I've really fallen back into it, but I'm not necessarily like sick. There's just an itch in the back of my throat. It doesn't hurt. It's literally just an itch. It doesn't go
But that's
away.
that's how it starts. That's how it always starts.
And I guess my nose has been a little stuffy these past few days.
You
I've been
already
coughing a lot. That's
sound-
just because of the itch.
congested again.
I don't feel congested. Oh, fuck.
What the heck?
I almost sneezed.
Okay, well, let's go die. No.
God damn it. Look at this shit, man. Unbelievable. And I was just out there shoveling for like 3 hours. And with the snow blowers, but like it doesn't matter because look at how much snow is falling.
That's what I was saying. And we're gonna go to Starbucks. We're gonna try.
This is a terrible idea.
You're the one who said.
Go on then.
You wanna go?
Get in the car.
Okay.
Or go in front of me.
Oh god, I'm sinking.
Ugh.
Oh, great, lovely.
You know what's crazy is that I bet a bunch of girls that have a man these days don't even get their door open for them on a regular sunny day. And here I am going through the shit, excuse me, to open my wife's door through a blizzard. Now this is somewhat trying to be funny, but also somewhat serious. Girls, don't settle for a man without manners. And guys, have manners, you know, like it's really not that hard. I don't know, I just find it real sad how I look around nowadays whenever I'm out with V&A and we're like in parking lots, parking garages, shit like that, and I notice guys just don't get their girl's door. They just, you know, whether it's a car door, a restaurant door, any kind of door in general, like, ladies first. Alright? I don't know who raised you, but do better. I see a lot of you guys out here not doing this shit, and it's kind of criminal. Do better. That's all I gotta say. Right. Ugh. Alright.
Things we do for Starbucks. You didn't put down the things.
For fuck's sake. Over my time living here and her past year, you know, I like Alaska. It's a pretty place. It's not a bad place to live. Except for days like this.
How are we getting out of here?
I got this. Let me cook. Let's not get copyrighted, huh? Get the things going. Alright.
You just gotta floor it. Or actually, no, you're going that way.
I'm just gonna go straight back because I already have a path going that way. And then
We got it. spinning.
Do, 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 do,
Just a little bit drifting.
do, do, do. I'm like Tokyo Drift. Asian lyrics and shit. See that? Yeah, my car.
Would not make it an inch out of this.
Yeah, I would never have made it out of the driveway.
Oh, look at them. They're just walking their dogs in a blizzard.
You gotta go, you gotta go. Why is this so high? What the hell?
Do you put it all the way up?
All this snow is very indicative of the human race. Just white people taking over everything, man.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so see this?
There's piles.
Or you probably can't see, but
There's
the
like
main roads are always done. Like this is, you can properly kind of see the road. But the neighborhoods, man, they just don't give a fuck about us. I got a 4-day weekend because it's Veterans Day weekend, so we got a 4-day weekend. Well, technically, I now have a 5-day weekend because I didn't even really work today. I just went out there, shoveled a little bit, made it look good. So 5-day weekend. Let's go, let's go.
and we're gonna do nothing because it's gonna be snowing.
No, we're gonna go to Applebee's and we're gonna go to all these places that give out military discounts, and people are gonna thank me for my service, and you should too, because without me,
You don't even care to be thanked. You don't even like being thanked.
no, it's not that I don't like being thanked. It's just that I don't like having to respond because I don't know what to say yet. It's been 3 years and I still don't know what to say because, like, thank you for your service. Yeah, no problem. Like, that feels weird. That feels like an understatement of what to say back because, I mean, I don't know. Like, I don't know what to say.
You grabbed your wallet?
Yeah, I grabbed my wallet, probably. There was this one time where I tried saying, like, you know, taking like a humble-ish approach to it. Some like older man, older lady. They were like, you know, thanks for your service, and I was like, yeah, don't mention it. And they were like, what do you mean don't mention it? Why don't you want to be thanked? I'm like, huh? What? No, I didn't mean that. I was just like, you know, trying to be nice. I don't know. Then they got on my ass about saying not to mention it. I don't know. I should do donuts in the parking lot. Oh, shit.
Okay. Do you think the drive-thru is cleared?
Looks pretty good to me. This car's a champ. It's been, like, going through way worse things this morning. Yeah, it's also days like this where I definitely like your car. It's not a bad thing to have. Optimus past its prime.
No! Now it's gonna crap out on you.
No.
'Cause you're a bully.
Yeah, her car tends to crap out. Her car tends to crap out on me a lot. Like the Apple CarPlay, it'll like glitch out and not work. The screen will be all stupid and stuff. What else happens? I mean,
Nothing actually happens. My car's in perfect condition. It's literally just the Apple CarPlay that goes out.
Yeah, the Apple CarPlay just maybe screws around.
The camera
you
has
get
yet
it.
to see me. My usual.
What's your usual?
Grande caramel brulee latte.
Where's the mic?
Up front?
Are we getting? No, we're not eating from here, right?
No.
Thanks for choosing Starbucks. This is Marla. What can I get started for you today?
Hey, how you doing today?
Doing real good.
Awesome. Can we get one grande caramel brulee latte?
Hot?
Yes.
Yes, please.
Okay, what else?
And then let me get another caramel brulee latte, but a venti.
Alright, and then a venti one?
Yeah, I'll get that hot as well.
Okay, what else?
Let me get can I get 2 snowman cookies?
2 snowman cookies? Perfect. What else?
That'll be it.
Alright, 2 snowman cookies, 2 caramel brulee, 1 venti, 1 grande. Anything else?
That'll be it.
See you up here.
Thank you. ass snow. Oh. Oh, what the hell? Random Asian man smoking outside.
You didn't see him?
No. He just spawned.
Grande.
Thank you.
Splish splash out there.
Thank you. Have a good one. Is it recording?
Yes, it's recording.
Oh.
It's been recording for the past 20 minutes.
I didn't know you guys were still here. Well.
What on earth are you doing?
That actually hurt.
That's what you get for being stupid.
Why is this thing not soft?
Because people aren't hitting their heads like that.
Why did they put a brick in there, man? What the fuck? This shit is so obnoxious. Look at all this fucking water on here, man. Fuck. What are you doing?
I was trying to make a video.
Of course you're trying to make a video. Gotta make content. In the world's biggest snow monsoon. Is that even a word? Monsoon? What does that mean? Isn't that like another word for like tsunami?
I think you're thinking of typhoon.
Typhoon? No, monsoon is definitely a thing. I don't know. I didn't go to school. Look how cute. Got some jewelry? What? I don't know.
It's snow.
Some snow. Damn, he's all fitted up. Okay. The earmuffs, the scarf. That boy's stylish. Is it good?
Very sweet.
Yeah, I bet it is. It looks sweet as hell.
Yeah. We need like milk for that.
Snowman. Call him Drip Man. The way he's dripping. That was terrible. Never let me cook again.
What are you doing?
What am I doing? I don't know. I don't know. We have done nothing today. Since we got Starbucks, we've been sitting on the couch. As you can see there. She's just a little bit hungry and she doesn't want our food that we made for the week, so cooking up some water and making noodles. These are for me. Say cheese. Say cheese. Yeah, we've done nothing, guys. There's nothing for us to do. We've just been watching YouTube and TV and random shit. Check this out. That bitch is about like knee deep. Depends where you stand. Shin, knee deep. It's not great.
And our neighborhood isn't getting plowed.
Oh yeah, I heard some trucks out there, but it's outside the gate in the the visitor center parking lot. So they're plowing that parking lot. But as far as our streets go, I just took a little gander. People have been working on their fucking driveways and stuff all day. I'm just not even gonna bother until like later. But check this out. Check this shit out. It's bad. It's a long day. Our yard is fucked. It's gone. Check out those cars. Yeah, that's how bad it is. Probably about like 2-3-ish feet of snow on these cars. My car can never go through this ocean. Luckily, we have hers though, so it's good. Check out what these people have been doing, clearing their fucking sidewalks and stuff. There's currently a guy working on this yard. I'm not gonna record him, that's weird. Hopefully you didn't see that. Oh, I left the thing open. Cheers to beers. This water is probably bubbling by now.
How
Yeah.
is street that says they're not coming to our neighborhood?
What? Oh yeah.
It would
That's the reason why they're not plowing our neighborhood, because nobody's moving their cars, and they can't plow the neighborhood if your car isn't in the middle of the street. Everybody's.
Our neighborhood specifically got an email saying
Yeah.
they will not plow our neighborhood.
Yeah, we live in Silver Run here on J Bear, and they basically at Silver Run said, get your cars out of the fucking street, like, because people tend to park on the street, obviously, so they're just like, stop it, or else we're not coming. So, yeah.
They're not coming.
Essentially, they're probably never going to come, honestly, because people in our neighborhood, and just, like, neighborhoods all over base, they tend to do that. But, hey, you know, like, consequences or something, you know what they say. Damn, look at me cook. Let me cook. We might just be stuck in here forever. I'm still trying to go to Applebee's tomorrow, but we'll see. I mean, it's done snowing. I think the blizzard is over, so that's good. But it's also supposed to snow like 5 more times this coming week. I don't know. We're probably gonna have another. Or didn't you say we already broke a record, right? We broke another snowing record.
A daily record.
Yeah, we already broke how many snows? We broke how many inches of snow, I think, in one day. Which I don't know what the what was the previous record?
7.5.
We only got 7.5 inches today.
Oh, 7.5 was the previous record.
Oh, 7.5 was the previous record. What did we get?
1980 something.
In 1947. How much snow did we get today?
It's not even today. It was just from last night. It was already.
How much snow have we gotten in the last 24 hours?
We're at like 14 now.
14 inches. Yeah, I mean, that's consistent with what they were saying all week, that we were going to get somewhere from like 15 to 18 inches. We got around 14. We'll say we got 15. We got the 15. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of crazy in 24 hours. Yeah, man, I don't really know. We're not really going to record much else today. I'm just like, this is low-key a really, really, really long outro. Oh, you're waiting for me to say bye. Okay. What are my lines? Ah, yes. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Oh, hit the like button and turn on your post notifications. We will see you guys next time. Again, I apologize for not uploading a video yesterday, but, you know, our plans got foiled by the blizzard. And we probably would have been able to do more today, but, you know, blizzard things. So, yeah. Bye. Hold up, let me put my spoon down. Bye.